Hey guys, so I just got back home. It's like 6 o'clock now. I'm running around everywhere after church. Church is really good. So I went into IKEA. Then after IKEA, I went to, where did I go to? I went to Primark, I went to Sainsbury's. I don't know why that took so long, so I finished church like 2:30, but yeah, the day's just gone by. But I'm now back home. I'm gonna go change into some comfortable clothes and then come down and cook. But maybe I should show you guys what I got before I go and change. Set of, I think it's like 4 or 5 pots. One of them chipped and I wasn't really happy with that, so I just went to exchange it for a new one. Those are my hankies. I picked up a can opener. This was like £6 in IKEA or something, but it was £3.50 in Sainsbury's. Then I got some bin bags. I got the basic ones. I really hope they're like good enough and they're strong. So I got those. I got some everyday seasoning. I always use this stuff and I'm running out, so I got some more. I got a doormat from Primark. I'm not entirely sure that I want this to show, like the polka dot. Here's my IKEA bag. This bag is so handy. I love it. So from IKEA, I picked up some, not from IKEA, from Sainsbury's actually, I picked up some kitchen towels. Looking everywhere for some like just cheap and affordable kitchen towels. I found these in Sainsbury's for £5. So 5 for £5. I checked Amazon, didn't really see anything that was like similar, so I've gone for these. I bought a tray from IKEA. I got this big bowl. This is only £1.50, I think. Yeah, I think it was £1.50, which I was really happy about. Kind of bowl that you can just use for when you're cooking and stuff. I need one of those. I bought some shake and vac from Sainsbury's. Absolutely love this stuff. It's £1. I don't normally get this scent though, so I'm hoping that I like this scent. I'll try and use it tonight. See how it goes. I got some apple juice and I got some innocent tropical juice. I got another one of these. This is where I want to put like my rice, my pasta, that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to wash it out and put my pasta in there, just so I don't have a lot of like packaging and stuff in my cupboards. I decided to get myself some ice cream, because why not? Got some crisps as well. And then I also got this, but actually I didn't get this. I'm going to need to go back. I realised when I left, I don't think I paid for this, which is really bad. It was upside down and it was like at the bottom of something and I didn't see it until I walked out. So I'm going to have to go back at some point this week. I'm always in there anyway, but yeah, it's just so annoying. Changed into a tank top and some leggings and I'm going to get started. I'm going to make my oxtails. I'm so hungry. Have I eaten today? I'm going to have to wait like 3 hours because oxtails take so long to like cook, to make sure they're really soft and like fall off the bone soft. I need to wash my new bowl, put my oxtails in here, and I'm going to start cutting all my ingredients up. Something on to keep me entertained. I've recently got internet, which I'm so happy about because I was hotspotting like my phones, my work phone, my normal phone, and just using internet from that because I wasn't sure what internet provider to go with. So I ended up going with EE after looking at reviews online, and I must say, so far so good. Chopped oxtails in a bowl. I've got my onions, got my fresh thyme, tomatoes, garlic, spring onion and pepper, and I've got some carrots over here. Here's the oxtail. I've got my scallion, garlic, thyme and my scotch bonnet in here. Also salt, pepper and allspice. So I'm going to fry this now on the cooker with some oil. I'll bring the actual oxtails to a boil for a couple of hours. After frying everything, I just put it in some hot water. Add tomatoes, onions and carrots, so everything is in there. I'm now just going to leave this to boil for like a couple of hours. Just keep tasting it to make sure that it tastes good. Towards the end as well, I'll add some beans. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. It looks a mess, but it tastes so good. Just made some rice, so I'm going to have this with some rice. Yes, cocktail's done. Guys, hope you're all doing well. So I'm just getting ready to go to the spa. My manager booked a spa day at the Corinthia, which is a really nice hotel in London. So we're having a team spa day. Should be really nice. We've been there before actually. We went there last year. It was so good. Like, I think it's probably the best spa in London. So yeah, I'm just packing all my stuff. Yes, I have got makeup on. My eyebrows are terrible right now, so yeah, I had to Had to sort those out. Let me show you guys what I packed. So here's my bag, guys. It's just my long shump that I got in Paris. I've got a scarf there. I've packed a book, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway by Susan Jeffers. I've just chucked my swimsuit in there. I've got some lotion, some bio oil from when I'm leaving. I've got my brush, my wax stick, some shower gel, lotion. I've got a power bank in there. I've got anti-bac. I've also got some of these. I love these. I carry them in my bag. I got them from Primark. I think that's it. I packed a little makeup bag so I can sort out my eyebrows if I mess them up. I've got some deodorant in there. Just a bunch of stuff basically. I'm kind of running late. My manager asked us to get there for like 11:30. 2 people had their treatments at 10:15. So it was just so like we could all be there together and spend some time together. But that's not happening. It's 11:30 now and I'm leaving my house. But do you know what? It's because my treatment is actually at 5:15. Afternoon tea with the team is at 3 p.m. So I have a lot of time. But yeah, oops. So I'm just gonna head downstairs now, put on my trainers and go and jump on the train. Literally just going down all the alleys, but it's just across from here. Here we go. About the oils and everything. Just about to take everything off and get my massage.